Hello, children. How are you today? I hope you're all fine. This is Sacred Heart Nursery and Primary School at Papa Lagos. I know by now, each time you see my face on the screen or you hear my voice, you know that it's time for your music class. That is the truth, yes. And I have something very, very interesting for you today. I mean, a very, very interesting topic that you will love and you will want to go over and over again. And what is that? Practical on recorder for basic one. So I want you to sit down, be attentive, and relax. It's not going to be a difficult section. It's going to be a very interesting and very enjoyable section with me today. So just go get your recorder and get set. But before then, let us look at our objectives for today. At the end of this lesson, I expect you pupils, under the sound of my voice, to be able to recognize the fingering position of notes G, A, and B on recorder. Secondly, I want you to be able to play notes G, A, and B correctly. And the last objective for the day is, at the end of this lesson, because I am going to teach you a song, so I expect you to be able to play that song and some other simple songs at the end of this lesson. So let's go. Now, someone may say, what is recorder? How does it look like? But I'm sure you have all seen recorder at one time or the other, and I believe many of you do have recorder. But for the benefit of doubt, let me show you how recorder looks like. Look at it. This is a recorder. A recorder has a total of 8 holes, but when you are looking at the recorder from the front view, you see only 7 holes, but the 8th hole is at the back. The 8th hole is at the back. Now, from the look of things, now you will agree with me that the recorder is a wind instrument. You have to blow air into it to be able to make sound. Now let me analyze the recorder using the picture you are seeing right on your screen. Let me start from the left-hand side. Tone holes. You can see the left hand, that is to say the left hand played from the top, from the upper part of the recorder. You have finger 1. Finger 1, I beg, please excuse me. Let me get my pen, my pointer out so that I will use that. Okay, the pointer is not coming over. Let's continue. Now, I'm sure you can see the screen very well. Now, let me make it a little bit bolder so that you can see. Yes. Now, you can see that the left hand, finger 1, that's the index finger, plays the first note from the top, the middle finger, which is the longest finger on the hand, then the ring finger, that's finger 3. So, making the total of 3 fingers on the left hand. Don't forget that the left hand thumb covers the hole at the back, which is not visible while looking at the recorder from the front side. Now, that's about the left hand. Then the right hand plays from the lower part of the recorder. You can see the index finger on the right hand is finger 4, which plays the next note, that is finger 4. You can see at the extreme right, finger 4. Then you have finger 5, which is the middle finger, the longest finger on the right hand. Then the ring finger is finger number 6. Then you have the pinky, that is the shortest finger on the right hand, that's finger 7. All these fingers are very active and they all come together to play the recorder very well. Now, today we are going to concentrate on 3 notes. How many notes? 3 notes. And those notes are A. Now let me start with B. which is, let me start with B, that is note B, note A, and note G. Now, let me share my camera screen so that you can easily see the way I'm going to demonstrate